Welcome back. This beautiful evening footage was shot just 2 days before a series of heavy storms. We've had tornado warning after tornado warning, flash floods, and just storm after storm. Even now, the next week ahead is showing constant rain. Our yard always becomes a swamp every spring, as you can see here. And this is after it had gone down about 2 or 3 inches. The tiny flowers are loving it though. There were so many popping out, blooming, despite all the wetness. It inspired me to pick this little Barbie bouquet for my mom. Now on to the day's job. I bought this kennel and I want to put it in here. But before I can do that, I've got to clean and clear out this whole space. My room is quite the mess. And this kennel is very large. One of the fun things about working in this space is that I can't stand up all the way. I was cleaning this piece off so that I could sell it on Marketplace. But later when I went out to take pictures of it and measurements of it for it, my neighbor spotted it and she wanted it, so I ended up selling it to her. I had purchased this kennel off of Marketplace, but I couldn't keep it in my car because I needed the space for Mom's walker. So I ended up having to store it out here overnight, and of course it rained. So this is me cleaning it up. I'm going to be taking it apart because it's too big to fit through the camper doorways. It is a very heavy and awkward piece. Setting this up in my room was a huge struggle, partially because of the curve of the back wall and I couldn't reach certain parts. Also because there's cabinetry that comes over that was in the way. It was killing me. So I had to turn off the camera before I got it all done because I wasn't handling it well. I don't know how to put these in. I finished setting up the crate and I'll show you that tomorrow in better lighting. But for now, I'm going to finish cleaning up my room, make the whole space a little bit bigger if I can, because that crate ended up taking up way more room than I thought it would. This is just my temporary solution for a topper right now on this crate. I'd like to do more of like an actual wood top, so it kind of is like a table. Now it's time for me to set up my new scanner I got. This ended up being a huge hassle, like most technology is for me. As you'll see, I will struggle with it for a while before I finally get it installed. Literally nothing I can do. Now that the scanner is finally all installed, I really want to scan in this piece. Technically, it's not finished because I want to add kind of like a sheer curtain to it, but I'm afraid I'll ruin it. So I want to scan it in so I have at least a copy of it before I ruin it.